What's up YouTube, welcome back to the channel. And before I start this video, I really want to thank you guys for sticking around with me, even though I've not been posting videos for the past one and a half months. But guys, as a matter of fact, I've been going a lot through in my personal life, and that has actually kind of restricted me from actually going and making any videos and posting it out here. So first of all, I really want to thank you guys for having stayed with me and being a support to me all this time. Now today's video is about building a PC, so let's begin. So guys, before I start talking about the parts and for whom this PC is being built, I just want to quickly request you guys here that if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please do consider subscribing. Go ahead and press that subscribe icon, and also don't forget to press that bell icon so that you guys can get notified about our upcoming videos. And yep, if you like the video, don't forget to press that like button as well and share with your friends. So guys, the PC that I'm gonna build today is actually for a very special kid. He's a distant relative of mine and he's in his high school. The kid is very good at coding and developing, and he had requested me that if I could build a PC for him. So here we are building a PC for him. So the parts that I've decided for this build are as follows. So for the processor, for the CPU, we are going ahead with the Threadripper, AMD Threadripper 2950X. It's a 16 core 32 thread processor, and I think this kid's gonna love this. He's not primarily into gaming, so more or less he's doing his development and coding. So this CPU is actually going to be of help to him, and he can use it for a very long time to come. For the motherboard, we are going ahead with the MSI X399 Creation motherboard. This is a very good motherboard. It's got some solid beefy VRM, so in case I decide to overclock the Threadripper processor for him, this can actually deliver tons of power to the CPU as well. Now talking about the RAM, we are going ahead with 64 GB G-Skill Trident Z RAM, clocked at 2933 MHz. We're going to use 8 sticks of 8 GB each, and these are the CL14 RAMs, so they are gonna run pretty fast. I wanted to use a 3200 kit, but I have used 3200 kit with my 2950X in the past, and I think there are some issues. I used to get blue screens, but ever since I've started using the 2933 MHz kit, never kind of encountered those issues. So I'm going ahead with these 8 GB sticks, a total of 8 sticks to cover up all the RAM slots. So he's getting 64 GB. As for the storage, we are going ahead with one M.2 drive. This is a 250 GB drive, WD Black SN750. This is primarily going to be his boot drive so that his system can run pretty fast. So yeah, nothing fancy in terms of storage. He has his own 1 TB or 2 TB drive, which he said that he can attach to the computer all by himself. So yeah, we are not going to give him a lot of storage. As for the graphic card is concerned, as of now I'm giving him a Sapphire Vega 64. This is a pretty decent card. He's not too much into gaming, so this should pretty much solve his needs as of now. Probably down the line when AMD launches their newer graphic cards later this month, and once they are available, probably I might just gift him a better graphic card and replace this with the other one. For the power supply, we are going ahead with the NZXT C750 power supply. This is a 750 watt 80 plus gold certified power supply. I think it should be pretty it should be absolutely fine for this build. So yeah, 750 watts is what we are going ahead with. Now for the case, we are going ahead with the Corsair 750D, which you can see right here. I didn't have much space on my table, so I've put it back. I've done some modification to it because I wanted to put radiators inside the system, and with all those drive cages, the radiator wouldn't have fitted, so we had to cut those drive bays in order to fit the radiators. Now speaking of radiators, this is basically going to be a liquid cooled PC, but we would be actually liquid cooling only the CPU. So as far as the water block goes, for the CPU, we are going to use a Barrow water block. I have used that water block in the past. It's really nice. Keeps the Threadripper CPU nice and cool. For the pump, we are going ahead with the EK I've always loved their pump reservoir combo. This is a D5 pump. I'm going ahead with the smaller chamber, the smaller reservoir, not the larger one, not the longer one. So going ahead with this really nice system. For the radiator, we are going to use just one radiator, which would be the Alpha Cool 420mm rad of 45mm thickness, and we would be putting on, I think, 6 fans or 7 fans inside this system. All of them are the Corsair LL140 and LL120. I think 1 or 2 LL120s, and rest all will be the LL140s. So basically this is the configuration of this whole system, and I think we should start building this PC. So guys, let's begin and stay tuned till the end. So guys, now we have finally finished our build and I think it looks just simply amazing. It's not a very high-end build, but then again, we had a very limited amount of resources to work with. Our budget was very tight, and I think the system has turned out to be very nice. And I hope the kid really loves his PC. In the next 1 or 2 days, probably I'm just gonna overclock this and see how the system performs. And when I'm overclocking, I probably would make a video so as to tell you guys how to overclock an AMD Ryzen Threadripper system, so stay tuned for that as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned to our channel. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Press that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to press that bell icon so that you guys can get notified about our upcoming videos. If you like the video, again guys, don't forget to press that like button. And thank you all for watching this video till the end. And until next time, this is Sajeev signing off. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.